Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Last video we seen exercise 3.17. Now we are going for the next topic, operations on matrices, which is in page number 145. So operation of matrix, we know operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we are going to see operations on matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted if they have the same order. So already we know what is order. Number of rows into number of columns is called order of the matrix. To add or subtract two matrices, simply add or subtract the corresponding elements. So let us see the example. You can easily understand the operations on matrices. Example, A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. This is one matrix plus G, H, I, J, K, L. These two are difference matrix. We just named, if we add the two matrix, we get the matrix A. So we have to add the corresponding elements. That is, this is the position of A11, that is, which is in first row and first column. Similarly, this is also A11 position of the second matrix. So you have to add the corresponding element. So A plus G. Similarly, B plus H. Then C plus I. Then D plus J, E plus K, F plus L. The same procedure will happen on the subtraction of matrix also. So B is equal to A, B, C, D minus E, F, G, H. So this is the position of A11. This is also the position of A11. So you have to subtract the corresponding elements. So A minus E, then B minus F, C minus G and D minus H. This is called the addition and subtraction of matrix. If A is equal to Aij, B is equal to Bij. Ij, it represents rows and columns. So I is equal to 1 to etc. up to M, J is equal to 1 to etc. up to N. Then C is equal to A plus J, A plus B. This is the resultant matrix. C is the resultant matrix. If we add two matrix A and B, then you get the resultant matrix C. Is such that C is equal to Cij, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. For all I is equal to 1 to etc. up to M, J is equal to 1 to etc. up to N. The addition and subtraction of two matrices happen only when it has same order. Example 3.60, which is in page number 145. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma, B is equal to 1, 7, 0, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0. So find A plus B. You have to find the addition of two matrices. So A plus B, we know that the matrix A plus B matrix. The next step is you have to add the corresponding elements. That is position of A11 in both the matrix. So 1 plus 1. Then 2 plus 7. 3 plus 0. 4 plus 1. 5 plus 3. 6 plus 1. Then 7 plus 2. 8 plus 4. 9 plus 0. If we add this two matrix, you get the resultant matrix. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 4 is 12, 9 plus 0 is 9. Example 3.61. Two examinations were conducted for three groups of students, namely Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and their data and average of marks for the subjects Tamil, English, Science and Mathematics are given below in the form of matrices A and B. Find the total marks of both the examinations for all the three groups. So the column represents Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3, and the row represents the person secured marks in the subject Tamil, English, Science, Mathematics respectively. So A matrix has 22, 15, 14, 23, 50, 62, 21, 30, 53, 80, 32, 40. Similarly, you have another one matrix named B. So this also the column represents group 1, group 2, group 3, and also the row represents Tamil, English, Science and Mathematics marks. The next step is you have to find the total marks in both the examination for all the three groups is the sum of the given matrix. So you have to add this two matrix. This is your homework problem. You have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrix. You have to find the resultant matrix. Next example 3.62. If A is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5, minus 4, 6, minus 3, 2, 9 and B is equal to 1, 8, 3, 4, 9, 6, find A plus B. So we already know that if the order of two matrices are same, we can add the matrix or subtract the matrix. On seeing itself, you can easily find out the order of matrix is different. Here the number of rows is 1, 2, 3. Here also the number of rows is 1, 2 and 3. But the number of columns in A matrix is 1, 2, 3. Here B matrix you have only 2 columns. So number of columns are different. We can't be able to add the two matrix. So solution, it is not possible to add A and B because they have different orders. That is, number of columns are different.